when I was back in high school, back in the science lab, there was a sink and there was a sewage leak and it was spewing out of this back of the sink, and you're filming, aren't you? Alright, beer reviews for this week. Just telling my camera person about an event back in high school. Alright, today I'm going to review an Anheuser-Busch product, okay? It's called Wild Blue Premium Blueberry Lager. Look, it has a really weird, cartoony blue bulldog on it. It looks like a monster you'd see in like Dungeons and Dragons and Pathfinder. Hey, look, it's a challenge rating 3 Wild Blueberry Hound. I don't know what kind of attacks it would have. Probably biting and like urinating blue acidic crap on stuff, though. Oh well. The funny thing about this, I've heard mixed reviews about this beer. Already as I popped the cap off, I saw it by sugary, very blueberry smell. I have people I know in my personal life that actually say this is great, but I've looked around on the internet and apparently it's horribly reviled by most people. So, I pour myself a glass, I sit. Wow. It's really dark red. It's like a purple red. And it's got a pink foamy head on it, and it is like purple red. Look at that. It smells almost like a cheap wine. And which is kind of what put me off at first. The alcohol content is 8%. This is a high alcohol beer. And yes, I've heard that it's like it. To be frank, as one of my good friends would put it, it tastes like ass. What he said. And they put all that sugary syrup to cover the taste of ass. We'll just have to find out if it indeed tastes like ass. I'm worried. There's only been a few beers I've thought about drinking and have been legitimately worried, and this is one of them. I think it's got like high fructose corn syrup in it or something. It doesn't even list the ingredients. It's like, okay. Yeah, made from all natural ingredients. Blueberry sediment may be found in this product. If by the way, my dad, he loves blueberries. He actually uses it for his health. I like blueberries are considered to be one of the superfoods. They have a lot of antioxidants, vitamin C, and really I don't buy the whole natural blueberry crap. Oh yeah, it smells like cheap wine. All right. Here goes, everyone. Oh God, it's horrible. Oh my God. Oh. That is like the most traumatic thing I've ever put in my mouth, ever. I'm using these banana chips as a palate cleanser because I sure as hell need it. Oh God. Oh. It tastes initially really, really sweet. And then it's like, it has this horrible, like, cheap, super alcoholic lager taste. It's horrendous. Not as bad the second time, but I still have the funk of the residue of the banana chips in my mouth. Oh God! Oh, that's like, oh! I thought the Berliner Weiss was bad. I thought that one winter beer was bad. The oatmeal stout was freaking bad. But you, Wild Blue, you know what? Is there a way I can give this a negative rating? I feel like I want to sell this back to the store I bought it from. It's so bad. I would not give this to my worst enemy. By the way, this is what I'm going to do. Camera person, keep it here. That is me pouring this god-awful crap down the sink. This is not fit for freaking human consumption. No! I feel like I'm insulting the Seahawks for pouring this crap in their glass. That's how mind-numbingly horrible it is. You know what? I don't even think a rating that is numerically possible for this crap. Okay, I'll give it a 0.1. No, a 0.0000001. Wild Blue, it might as well be that monster from Dungeons & Dragons, with like a challenge rating. If you don't know what a challenge rating is, it means the more higher it is, the more badass it is. This might as well be like a challenge rating 12 creature that urinates this crap on you. This is like the most repugnant brew I've ever consumed. It's like, it's almost close to malt liquor. That's how repugnant it tastes. Yeah, thank you folks for joining my personal suffering. Cat. See, my cat has come to my aid because he knows I feel traumatized by this. See, and now he wants to go away. Because he probably smells this crap on my breath. This is like a Listerine type. Yeah, I want to have some Listerine to get this terrible taste of failure out of my mouth. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this, because I sure as hell did not. I want to bash myself in the head with this repeatedly because it was so freaking bad. Any kind of sensation to distract your senses from taking this crap in is worth it. Do not buy this garbage, please. You know what? If you're a guy, take a 9-volt battery, take some alligator clips, and zap yourself in the testicles. That's more enjoyable than this. With that, guys, I hope you guys have a good night. Or share, comment. I hope you guys enjoy these. I didn't. My soul weeps. Well, you guys have a good night.